I don't think anyone sounds like Lea Salonga. She's in the league of her own. GOAT, one and only. Like, I don't know. But thank you so much. That's such a big compliment. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. I think you're a little bit biased. Since PBB days, I've been rooting for you. Thank you. Very sweet. Asan si KD? Nandito literal sa tabi-tabi. Please sing We Can't Be Friends. Yun nga eh, we don't have a guitar kasi. Wala kaming guitar dito eh. Water, okay.
You want? Juice.
You want juice?
No,
I have
yeah,
another Lux Slim in the cabinet. If you want to make juice by yourself,
That's okay.
it's just there in the cabinet. Under that part, yeah. And chill is going to you. Let's listen to some music. What foundation am I using right now? Kati na mata ko. Today, ang ginamit ko po ay Teviant. Teviant foundation. You're so weird. Why are you getting the bottled water?
I'll just throw it outside when I leave.
You're weird. Okay. What eyeliner did I use? Kiko Milano. That's my eyeliner. I love it. Sige, talk to me. Talk to me. Hi, Ate M. Since Going Bulilit, idol na kita. Thank you so much. Hi, idol Going Bulilit. Grabe, alam niyo guys, natatawa talaga ako every time na people call me Going Bulilit. Kasi parang hindi naman ako mukhang Going Bulilit. I mean, I don't know. It's funny. Pero ang galing. Kasi nung nandun ako nung bata ako, hindi ko naman ever naisip na I would ever leave a mark or matatandaan ako ng mga tao. Pero nakakatawa kasi hanggang ngayon na ang laki ko na, although hindi ako matangkad, Going Bulilit pa din. What's your lippy? It's a mixture of 2 lippies. One is, but they're both Korean. They're both Korean. Daesik, and Romand. So, yung dalawang yan. I did my makeup today. Hair color. So, my hair used to be red. Yeah, it used to be a very bright red. Pero nag-fade na siya ng nag-fade. And because I'm trying to transition to brown hair, hinahayaan ko na lang siya. So right now, I don't really know what you call this color. Because here, it's still a bit red. But here, pababa, medyo nagba-brown na siya. Ayan o, medyo brown na siya. Ganda ng earrings mo. Thank you, ate. Nakauwi ka na? Opo, nakauwi na ako. Thank you for asking. Bagay sa'yo ang blonde. Nagsawa na po ako sa blonde eh. Tsaka parang sobrang namatay na yung hair ko kaka-bleach. So, it's time for a break. I made the song for you both, KD and Alexa. Hope you'll hear it. Wow! I would love to hear it. You can email it to me. Wait, I need to sneeze. Excuse me. I'm blessed. Thank you. Wait. Na-aching na naman ako. Sorry. Pag na-notice mo ako matutulog ako, huwag ka muna matulog. Hintayin natin mag-12. Sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang Believing in Magic.
Na-notice mo na matutulog.
Ay, patay. Mali ako. Hindi kita pinapansin. Wala. Hanggang dito lang yung usapan. Congrats sa trophy. Thank you so much. Great performance yun ni KD sa campus tour. Thank you po. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami, as in. Ang saya-saya kantahan ng crowd sa Arellano University. Oh, thank you so much. Ang saya-saya mag-perform kapag ganun yung crowd. Kapag hina-hype ka, pag sumasabay sila, pag kumakanta rin sila, saya-saya mag-perform kanina. Nabitin tuloy ako na pa 2 songs. Hindi ba binibleach yung red hair? No, hindi bleach yung red hair ko. So, I go to a new salon now. It's called Daol Salon. It's in BGC. Na-achieve nila yung super bright red na gusto ko without bleach. Slay, diba? Ba't di pa umuwi yung katabi mo? Umuwi na yan. Bumalik lang dito. No. Ganyan talaga pag may driver sweet lover. Wow. Gala na siya dahil nagda-drive na siya. Good luck sa concert niyo sa May. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you. Totoo bang malayong pinsan mo si Miss Reg? Actually, si Miss Reg mismo nagsabi sa akin nun. But apparently, yes. Pero malayo talaga. But somewhere in that family tree, we are somehow connected. Maybe like a 0.5%. Pwede bang sumilip si KD? Ayaw, nakapajama na siya eh. Mamaya, try natin pilitin. Red hair pa ba ikaw sa concert? Hindi na. Ayaw na. Yun lang mahirap pag super bold kasi nung color. Magsasawa ka agad. Ano tawag sa haircut mo? Wala po. Ano lang to. Hindi nga ata to layered eh. Hindi ko pa siya napapagupitan actually. Matagal na po. Silip na ikaw?
No.
Sige na nga. Kailan? Ay, nawala. Sige, let's play music para party-party tayo dito. Kamukha mo na si KD, so ang pogi ko po ba?